Oh, hey guys, where's Raphael? Here. Oh, there he go. In disguise. Boom. Yeah, so this is a video reveal of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie figure, Raphael in disguise. Not much as a movie figure, as it's the 1980s reference. Yeah, 1980s reference. Yes, forget about that. So we can do a video reveal of this. Forget about that, guys. So yeah, forget about that. So this okay. So let's look at the Raphael disguise thing. Man, anybody in disguise. It could be Leonardo. Of course not. We only have one person in disguise, and that's Raphael. Nobody can else. I'm mad because Playmates and the cartoons studios did something with the 1987 Ninja Turtles. So we got him. Raphael in disguise. We finally got Raphael in disguise. I saw some photos of this and not photos of the figure just in the movie. So let's look at him. So his arms go in and out. His jacket goes up like, boy, you can't do this. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. Sorry for saying that. Sorry for making this one. So let's look at this. Sorry.
Okay, I was
saying. Yeah. Forget about what she say. So it's so you can't see it because when you look under here, come on, it's fixed up tablet. So when you look under here, it's unpainted. Unpainted. Can you believe that? Unpainted. Playmates did not paint this thing up to be used. Yeah. Use, freaking guys, please use. Yeah. So you gotta keep this ready. Yeah. So he's got a swivel. I already showed you that because you already saw it. Man, when is camera ever gonna start wobbling? Yep. I can't do it all. You know what? You just know about this. Yeah, so he come with a few yeah, let's just do it. Let's do this. It's the same Raphael, but just in a trench coat. That's what I was just saying. Thank you. Yeah, just do the same. So let's fix up his look. Yeah, just notice that this is gonna fall out. This just clips on her, and it doesn't make a sound. It makes a sound like that, like bulgy. Yep. So sorry. Dang, this camera gonna be a sweating head. Really, guys, really. So you see these two slots. You can't see them that much, but don't worry. You see these. Okay, so you see the glasses with the thing on them. Yeah. So they just stay. They stay on there like good. So you got his hat. Yeah. Hat on there. Got his hat. Back. Sorry, dang it. This thing is frustrating. They can have a bad side, angry bad side. Like Angry Birds bad. Angry Birds bad. See. Yep, so we got him in disguise. So you can use size for a few minutes. So let's look at his look for a minute. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, see, there you go. There you go. Yeah, so his scarf look cool. Yep. So this was the next review of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie after Big Raphael disguise. So this dude ain't no movie. So go down and subscribe. Go click the link below and go to the description box. And see you guys next time. Peace. Boom.